Best cordless vacuums in 2022. Hello and welcome to Tech Biggest YouTube channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for our future updates. We have reviewed the best cordless vacuums in 2022. These appliances work with a wireless system and hence can be moved in your entire house without a plug. All you need to do is charge the device at regular intervals to ensure smooth cleaning. We found these products highly admired by the customers. Number 1. Black Plus Decker Cordless Vacuum. Clean your house with this handy cordless vacuum cleaner. It is reinforced with a rotating nozzle that sucks dust and minute particles from most of the surfaces. Besides, the strong suction pull of 15.2 Ah allows cleaning large dust particles without putting the load on the battery. You can clean your house with 50% less power consumption with its smart charge technology. On top of everything, it can hold battery power for up to 18 months. In addition, it has a dust bowl with a 20.6 ounces capacity that allows uninterrupted usage of the device. Thanks to the washable filter, you can also easily wash this dust bowl. Furthermore, its 16 volts lithium-ion battery can be charged within 4 hours. You can vouch for the credibility of this product as it is backed by a 2-year warranty period. Number 2. The Life Cordless Vacuum. This high-tech vacuum cleaner uses an advanced brushless motor to develop high-pressure suction. It can suck the smallest particle of dust, leaving a crystal clean surface. The motor operates at 90,000 revolutions per minute, generating 25 PA strong suction to remove even the smallest dirt particles. It has built-in LED lamps to offer you a clear view when cleaning under beds and couches. The vacuum can be operated in 3 modes: economic mode, standard mode, and strong mode, through a user-friendly touchscreen control panel. Plus, it has a 6-layer, highly efficient filtration system with embedded sensors for intelligent operation. With its 2600 mAh 7-cell large capacity battery, the Belife vacuum cleaner is among the market leaders. Number 3. Eureka Cordless Vacuum. This effective cordless vacuum cleaner is powered by the latest technology motor that cleans minute dust particles and large debris from most surfaces. With 25.2 volts lithium batteries, you can use this device for continuous 40 minutes after a full charge. Moreover, you can control the speed of the cleaner with just a few taps. Its maximum suction mode also serves best for cleaning rugs and carpets. On top of everything, it comes with a crevice tool and 2-in-1 brush that can be used for handy cleaning of car and sofa surfaces. Another unique feature of this vacuum is its swiveling handle with LED lights that can reach the hard-to-reach spaces and effectively traps dust particles. Number 4. Shark Cordless Vacuum. This vacuum cleaner is perfect for getting rid of stubborn pet hair. It is reinforced with a powerful suction force that allows cleaning from the carpet as well as the bare floor surface. Besides, its 0.64 quarts dust cup capacity collects all dust particles and it can be easily cleaned by water. Thanks to its top and bottom empty design, you can empty the cup without interacting with the dirt. Another significant feature of this cordless vacuum is the maneuverable handle that allows it to reach hard-to-access spaces and ultimately results in spick and span room. Furthermore, this device is backed up by a 1-year warranty period and delivers superior cleaning results. Number 5. Hoover Cordless Vacuum. Effortlessly clean your home with this lightweight cordless vacuum cleaner. Its 4.0 Ah battery can be fully charged within 3 to 4 hours and can be used for a straight 1 hour at maximum suction force. If you have pets in your house, then this device is the perfect option for getting rid of their fur spread on every surface of your home. This hoover is also highly portable as it weighs just 9 pounds. Besides, its 3 times large dust cup can hold more dirt and debris than other vacuum cleaners available in the market. You can empty the cup with just 1 press. Furthermore, you can turn on or off the brush roller inside the cleaner with just a few taps. That brings us to the end of this video. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for our future updates. Thank you for watching.